First off, what Einstein did is he removed the distinction between space and time. They are related. They're not separate things. The only way to think of them, to make them objective, is they have to always be tied together. And energy and mass are not separate things. They are the same thing. So that goes. So all these distinctions are dissolving as the physics is evolving. And Einstein had another paper back then. It was on the photoelectric effect. And basically, I think a few years earlier, 1900 or so, it had been observed, I don't remember who the scientist was, that, Planck, Max Planck, of course, that when you shine light on certain metals, electrons can be emitted, and also some, I don't know if they knew it was photons as well, to get light off of it. But in any case, it was observed that, I guess it was light-sensitive metal, where it was light. So they would shine light on these metals that would emit electrons when illuminated, and they would boost the intensity of the light, but that did not change the energy level of the electrons being emitted. More of them were emitted, but the energy level actually was found to correspond to the frequency of the light. So when you look at the rainbow, red, blue, red to violet, red represents a lower frequency, lower energy, and violet is a higher energy. And so, depending on the frequency, color of the light is where they got more energetic electrons, but they were always in discrete packets. And the equation that was worked out, this was not a theoretical thing, this was just by observation. There was a constant that emerged between energy levels of how you got electrons out. So let's say you have a certain amount of electrons for a certain red light, let's say, and then as you increase the frequency, it didn't go smoothly. It would stay and then all of a sudden jump, and you'd get higher energy, and it would jump again, always jumping in discrete packets, quanta. And the equation showed that there was a constant called Planck's constant. Nobody could understand what that meant. It was just an empirical observation that these electrons would only emerge in discrete packets.